Hi folks, I'm Mike, and my tune is bad. I'm so ashamed. Okay, I'm gonna go on a rant here because I feel like it's time for a rant. This channel could use a good rant.
So be it.
When somebody posts a video in an FPV group and somebody comes back with, "Your tune sucks," that is not imaginative, and it is not anywhere near as devastating an insult as you think it is. People have been saying your tune sucks for like 85 years now in order to put someone in their place. Hey dude, nice flying, but your tune sucks. Which is basically a way of saying, I think you fly like... If that's what you feel, then just go out and say it, man. Like, if you don't like it, say, I don't like the way you fly. If you think that it's a boring flight, say, hey, it's a boring flight. But you little teeny tiny puny little men that hide behind your tune sucks, you know what? F you. I mean, you're not even imaginative. You're not even creative. You're not even contributing to the conversation. So just shut up. Nobody wants to hear you. And by the way, it's not my tune. It's Betaflight's tune. Because you know what? I don't have time to go out and tune. I'm sorry. Does my tune suck? Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. Is Betaflight getting better faster than I really need to worry about it? Yeah, for the most part it is. Would it be great to have a tune quad? Absolutely. I don't have time. If you have time to go out and tune all of your quads until they're perfect, more power to you. I don't. I feel like I need my emotional support animal for this next one. You know, sometimes people call my titles clickbait. And I mean, dude, that just strikes me right to the heart. It's okay, baby. It's gonna be okay. I'm gonna be okay. I'm gonna be okay. You just love on me and I'll be fine. I'll tell you what. Clickbait is the worst insult that you could possibly deliver a man. I mean, you could tell him many awful, terrible things, but if you tell him that his title is clickbait, it is absolutely devastating. It's almost worse than your tune sucks, to be completely honest with you. And, you know, here's the funny thing about clickbait, when you label a title clickbait, is I could basically label the title and people would still say clickbait. I could call it I fly and people would still say clickbait. You want to know what clickbait is? Clickbait is what you see on BuzzFeed, where they say you are not going to believe these top 10 things that happened to this person. Now, if I came out with a title that said I went flying and oh my God, you won't believe this, then you might could say that I use clickbait. But giving something a title, even a title that is slightly intriguing, does not make it clickbait. And I understand it is hard for you to vent your frustration and anger without resorting to terrible, awful, tried tropes. I get it. The small-minded don't think well. But really, honestly, clickbait, come on. Anyways, thankfully, I have my emotional support animal to make it through your insult. I think probably one of my most favorite interactions is with this one person who will not be named. We'll see his name right here. He kept pretty much trolling me. And I kept engaging him. And eventually, we had a really good conversation. And he delivered some great criticism of my videos. And if you want to add to the conversation, that is how you do it. Don't just drop the insults. That serves absolutely no purpose. If I make you angry, number one, I am sorry, because my job, what I want to do is not to make you angry. But leave some actual feedback. If you want to mouth off, at least mouth off in a constructive way. You can tell me your tune sucks and I really don't like the way you fly. Okay, that's fine. Or you can tell me this title really made me want to click, but I feel like I'm going to get shortchanged. And you know what? Maybe I'll change the way that I title things. But just hurling insults on the internet, and I know, look, we're talking about the internet. It's a bunch of angry dudes that are just blathering at the mouth with no purpose. That is half of the internet. God help you if you go on Reddit. But anyways, this interaction that I had with this gentleman really turned out to be good, because he pointed out a few weak spots in something I had posted. And you know what? I took it to heart. I took it to heart and listened to it, because it wasn't delivered with anger. It wasn't delivered with trolliness. It was delivered with, well, this is what I think about your video. And I responded, you are absolutely right. Here's the thing. Most content creators value critical feedback. If they don't value critical feedback, they don't care about getting better. Trolly comments, things like your tune sucks and clickbait title and whatever, really adds nothing to the conversation and just pisses off both sides. But if you stop for a minute and take a moment to look into your heart about why what they posted pisses you off, and then give a reasoned feedback, which I know is probably beyond half the people on the internet. Self-introspection is very difficult. But if you can do that, then you can actually raise the bar of the conversation that is happening around you. So anyways, I'm off my high horse. Rant done. If you want to insult somebody, go for it. But please, by God, be creative about it. Call my mother something nasty like the daughter of a sheep. Okay? Let's make it entertaining for all of us. But if you want to actually change the conversation and make it better, leave critical feedback. So, that's all I got. Anyways, I'll talk to y'all later. Like, subscribe, do all that stuff. You know it. Bye.